What's up guys, this is ABD. So till now you have only noticed web browsers extensions. Safari is always behind Chrome, but now extensions have come to iOS 15 too. So in this video I am going to show you how to install Safari extension on your iPhone. Safari on iOS 15 now supports extension that totally changes how the browser works or adds extra functionality to it. Apple has made it mostly easy to add an extension if you want. So let's install Safari extension in iOS 15. Open settings and then scroll down to Safari browser right here and then scroll to extension and tap on it and you will get this no extensions installed. So what you need to do is tap on more extension. You will get this pop-up page in your app store and from here you can download any extensions you want. Some of them are paid extensions, so I'm going to download this free one. After download is complete, you can head back to settings to check if the extension is activated or not. If not, then you can enable it from here. You can also turn off and on the extension from the Safari browser too. And if you want to stop or remove extension, just go back to setting Safari extension, toggle the extension setting to off, or from the home screen just delete the app that provides the extension. That's it for this video. If this video was helpful, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Peace.